You've heard about circular economy companies and their commitment to innovation and sustainability, but how can you participate in it and make a positive impact as a trader? So first of all, what is a circular economy? Well, at its core, it's a regenerative system designed to keep products, materials and resources in use for as long as possible, thus reducing environmental impact. This type of economy prioritizes sustainability by minimizing waste and making the most of resources. That means it's a fundamental shift away from the traditional linear model where resources are taken, transformed, used and discarded. Instead, the circular economy aims to create a closed-loop system continuously reusing, recycling or regenerating resources for as long as possible and, if possible, for an equivalent product. So how can traders identify and evaluate circular economy investment opportunities? The key thing is to look for companies and projects that demonstrate innovation and sustainable practices with characteristics in 5 main areas. Firstly, look for entities that incorporate, reduce, reuse and recycle materials throughout every step of their supply chain. This not only minimises environmental impact, but enhances operational efficiency and sustainability. It also reflects a deep-rooted dedication to environmental stewardship and long-term economic viability. An example of a company excelling in circular supply chain optimization is Patagonia, renowned for its sustainable practices and a culture of sustainability among its consumers, thereby setting a high standard for corporate responsibility in its industry. Secondly, product lifestyle extension is important. That means seeking out innovations in design that enhance product repairability, durability and upgradability. This approach counters the traditional throwaway culture by extending the usable life of products, thus reducing waste and resource consumption. Fairphone stands out as a great example of this due to its innovative modular smartphone design. This approach not only extends the usable lifespan of the smartphones, but also significantly contributes to reducing electronic waste. Another focus area is companies that utilize renewable energy sources and implement sustainable waste management practices. This dual focus is a strong indicator of a company's dedication to a sustainable future. A great example is IKEA, the home goods retailer, which has a commitment to become climate positive by 2030, meaning it aims to reduce more greenhouse gas emissions than its entire value chain emits. You might also want to dive into opportunities in carbon footprint reduction, so target initiatives aimed at achieving net zero emissions in operational processes. This practice is increasingly important in the circular economy as it addresses the urgent need to combat climate change. Microsoft has an ambitious pledge to become carbon negative by 2030. In fact, it plans to remove all carbon it has emitted either directly or by electrical consumption since its inception in 1975. Finally, social responsibility is key. That should entail evaluating companies for their commitment to fair labour practices and active community engagement. This holistic approach is crucial for building a loyal workforce, fostering consumer trust and maintaining a positive corporate image. Ben & Jerry's stands out for its strong commitment to social responsibility and has become a leader in social justice and environmental sustainability. Their efforts in fair trade practices, responsible sourcing and engagement in social campaigns have not only bolstered their ethical reputation but also fostered a loyal customer base. What are some investment vehicles and strategies traders can utilize to participate in the circular economy? By strategically selecting stocks of companies that align with circular economy principles and sustainable business practices, investors can align with sustainable and ethical principles which also offer potential for financial returns. ETFs or exchange-traded funds include a variety of companies from different sectors, all contributing to sustainable economic models. Investors gain exposure to a broader range of companies, thus spreading risk while participating in the growth of environmentally responsible businesses. Green bonds represent an innovative investment as they're specifically designed to fund projects with tangible environmental benefits while receiving periodic interest payments. Contracts for differences, CFDs, offer investors a leverage way to participate in the circular economy by trading the price movement of stocks of companies engaged in sustainable practices, without actually owning the underlying asset. Traders also have the advantage of speculating on the rising, going long, or falling price, going short, of these investment vehicles. Curious about making a positive impact through your investments? Dive into the world of the circular economy. Find out more by clicking the link in our bio or visiting our YouTube channel.